Alright guys, abstract at it again. We've got a less exciting box opening. Edit that out. Sorry. We've got a less exciting box opening for y'all this time. But nevertheless, it is important to any build that wants to, well, I shouldn't say that. I was going to say any build that wants to be serious about gaming. Any build that wants to be serious about gaming without a lot of troubleshooting and learning Bash and talking to forums and sometimes looking like an idiot, and yeah, you get the point. I wanted Windows. I do want to do a boot to Linux. I want to learn Linux Arch, but yeah, this is a boring video. I gotta make this quick. What am I doing talking about stuff? Yes, I would like to dual boot to Linux Arch. I just had them send me the USB. I figured, why not? I had to wait on the power supply anyway, and timing worked out perfectly, so. That's some kind of plastic. Overnight on my box knife's just really dull. I thought she was a fresh one. It's got some kind of number on the top. I'm kind of... Oh, it's not part of the plastic anyway. Alright, this is what we got. We're probably blurry. Let me check here. Oh, it's actually focusing pretty well. Good job. Alright, actually, I think I just might have locked the focus. I don't want to... You do whatever you want there, computer. You were doing a good job. I shouldn't touch their phone. Computer, same thing these days. Okay, so I did order Pro. Reason being, I want to be able to bounce back and forth from other laptops, mainly. The other features like BitLocker, I'm not so interested in at this point. Maybe I will be in the future. But yeah, as far as I understand, with Windows at home, I could have, from the PC I'm about to build, I could have went to the screen of my other laptop and stuff, but not vice versa. And it's the vice versa that's actually more important to me. I'd rather be able to access the Pro, have this bad machine do the work, and be able to play with it from other computers. And if I have that backwards, then I mean, I have that backwards, but that's what I did. Spent the money on Pro. It wasn't any extra for the USB, so I figure why not get a free USB out of it? So there we go. And check again, but yeah, no, you're not getting a very good shot of that. Let's try the touch thing. Alright, this has been a 5-minute long video about a USB. Abstract out.